Anima Pro 4D brings a brand new animation system that turns 3D characters into real humans. This feature embeds the best of ready-posed and rigged characters by preserving all the details of the clothing and other facial animations that provide unattainable realism. A new animation system has been introduced to let 3D characters being perceived as real people. Moreover, a new motion capture and animation data compression algorithm have been developed. Let's dive in a bit more into details about these 4D digital humans. Thanks to photogrammetry, we are able to capture both spatial and color information for each model. This is the starting point for the ready-posed characters. But the new motion capture workflow let us introduce a new element to the equation: time. Of course, this means a lot of data to be captured and, more importantly, stored. To achieve this, a new data compression codec has been developed. For instance, 800 frames animation takes around 2 GB of space. The new codec compresses it to around 40 to 100 MB. Anima files are around 100–200 MB, a great quality for such a small size. Moreover, streaming 4D digital humans take advantage of multi-core CPUs, making it possible to achieve up to 120 frames per second in Unreal Engine. Again, let's see it in action. Here we are in one of the demo scenes, populated with rigged characters. Using the new 4D digital humans is as simple as with other actors. You go to the library panel on the left, scroll down to the 4D section, and then select the actor you want to add. Let's choose this guy that takes pictures and place it near the bridge. Click on the character, drag it on the right spot and orient it as needed. You can keep adding more, and of course, multiple actors drag and drop is also supported. Since we are in a park, I'm going to add another 4D actor, the one doing exercises. The process is exactly the same as in previous versions, so there's no need of learning new workflows. Now, this is fine, but how these new actors actually play in real time? Let's find out by clicking on the play button. You can orbit around the characters in real time and navigate the scene while playing the simulation. You can already see how better these new actors are. The current animation's length is enough for continuous shots of up to 20 seconds, and as expected, these actors can be sent through the A-Live link to external softwares to be rendered in high resolution. The result of 4D people is great. The realism of its animations is unattainable for rigged characters. About these differences, it's time to talk about the best practices when working with different anime actors. Another key aspect of creating crowd simulation is composition. Properly setting up the camera shots in the scene, making intelligent use of the different character types, and applying effects to hide imperfections is fundamental. In fact, the closer to the camera, the greater is the need for better character animations. You can set your shots by distributing the actors according to the background, the middle ground, and the foreground areas. We suggest to use rigged characters in the background for long and extreme long shots, the ambient 3D characters in the middle ground for medium and medium long shots, the 4D digital humans in the foreground for closer shots, and finally use camera effects, such as depth of field, to hide those imperfections still remaining.